Have you heard the term closing costs but aren't sure what it all means? By the end of this video, you'll know what's all included in those costs. For more real estate videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell to be notified anytime a new real estate video is posted. Hi, I'm Rivera. I first started learning about real estate way back in 1997, and I've been a realtor since 2013. I'm part of the award-winning Matthew Guzman team at RE/MAX Universal. So what I share with you today is based on our experience. Closing costs are fees to third parties that facilitate the sale of your home. In other words, it's for this team of people working behind the scenes. How much will your closing costs be, you ask? Well, it can vary, anywhere from 2 to 5% of the home sales price. For example, if you have a sales price of $200,000, then you can expect to pay anywhere between $4,000 to about $10,000 in closing costs. Who pays closing costs? Both buyer and seller have closing costs. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to focus on the buyer's closing costs. The category of these fees consist of 1. Prepaid costs, 2. Title fees, and 3. Lender fees. Let's take a moment to review each one of these categories. Give me a thumbs up in the comments below if this is making sense so far and you're ready to learn more. Number 1, prepaid costs. For the Texas buyer, this typically includes 1 year of homeowner's insurance, 1 month of prepaid interest, and about 4 to 6 months of property taxes. Now, for more specific amounts of prepaid costs that you may be wondering, be sure to talk with your loan officer. And if you still need a good loan officer, let me know in the comments below. I know a handful of really good loan officers. Category number 2, title fees. For the Texas buyer, this typically includes the lender's title policy, and this is the insurance that protects the lender against any problems with the title of your property. Escrow fee. This is the fee to the title company for handling your closing. Owner's title policy. This is the insurance that protects you against any problems with the title of your property. Title search, otherwise known as exam fee. This is the fee to the title company for a thorough search of your property's records. Another fee is the document prep fee. And guess what it's for? Yep, you guessed right. To prepare all the documents for your closing. HOA transfer fee. Now this fee is typically paid by the seller, which shows you what dues are owed, if any, what the dues are, a financial statement of the HOA, as well as any minutes and notices for the HOA. Recording fee. This is charged by your local recording office, whether it's the city or the county. It kind of just depends on where your property is located. And this fee is for, you guessed it, the recording of public land records. And lastly, title endorsement fees. These are for additional coverage from what was originally included in your title policy. Category number 3, lender fees. For the Texas buyer, this typically includes fees such as origination fee. This is an administrative fee that typically costs about 1%. Underwriter fee. This covers the cost of researching whether to approve you or not. Private mortgage insurance. If and only if you paid less than 20% down, you are required to pay this fee. Flood certification. This is to research if your property falls in the flood plain. Attorney review fee. This is to have, you guessed it, an attorney review your lender file. Survey. This is the fee to the survey company that verifies the property lines of your property. Appraisal. This is the fee to the appraisal company that evaluates the fair market value of your property. And last but not least, credit report. You guessed it, This is the fee to pull your credit. So to recap, closing costs are mostly comprised of prepaid costs, title fees, and lender fees. If you'd like more information about any of the closing costs I mentioned, please let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel. Oh, and be sure to watch these other related videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.